Well, folks, it's Thursday. A lot going on here. Still waiting for an engine for my Tahoe. I painted the 6 headboard ends. I sandblasted them myself and primed them yesterday and shot some green on them today. The headboard goes right where these seat stanchions are, and I may try this seat idea that I have, but with some wood that's not so expensive. I got everything moved around here. There's a good buddy of mine was kind enough to give me some replacement rollers for the 41. I have 4 of them. Unfortunately, they're like 9 million years old, rock hard, and they're 825/20s. I ground the paint off of the front of this one. I could not find any manufacturer's dates or manufacturers themselves. I don't know that these are World War II wheels or not, but they're the same style. So for the time being, I'm going to put them on the 41 because the front tires on the 41 are shredded. So I'll be right back. Whew. Okay. So I've wanted to record pulling in, but I forgot. And she was reluctant and mad at me because I haven't started her up since I put it in the back beginning of December. Maybe January, I don't know, I don't recall, but anyway, this is what I mean by shredded. Look at that, and a bubble down here. I pulled the core out of the valve stem, the Schrader valve. It probably had 6 pounds of pressure, so it was quite the workout getting her to turn around. Anyway, with the new rollers on, she'll be able to move around a lot easier. So I'll be back. All right. So that part's finished. I have to get these 6 rims and tires into the bed of the Silverado so I can take them down to Tacoma tomorrow. Surprisingly, they're holding air. 30 pounds each. It's not a whole lot, but I'm not going to be driving this thing on the freeway because we don't have any brakes yet. And since I only had 4 rims and tires, the rears are going to be like that for a little bit. I thought that the tube in this tire was shot. When I started putting air in it, the slot in the rim where the valve stem's coming through just started bubbling and shoving water out. It's holding 30 pounds of air now, so hopefully the wheel doesn't come apart. But I'm not going to film trying to throw those damn tires up in the bed of the Silverado. You guys will just mock me and my efforts. It's too hard. Anyway, thanks for watching my video.